Let's see how we can use a powerful intraday screener to identify an intraday trading opportunity, right? So there are different types of intraday traders. Some guys trade on 5-minute tick, 15-minute ticks, 30-minute ticks, and 60-minute tick. So this is the first option. Depending on your trading ideology and methodology, you should choose, right? So let me select a, say for example, a 15-minute tick, right? So then there are so many different technical indicators option filters available. To name a few, see this will have all the moving averages, uh, crossovers options readily available. This will have all the RSI options readily available. When is RSI overbought, when it's crossing 30, when it's entering a oversold territory and all, right? Moving averages crossovers, when basically the MACD crossing the signal line from below above, right? PSAR, Bollinger Bands, when a price touches Bollinger Band, right? When Bollinger Band is narrowing, when it is expanding, right? So it has all the different significance, right? So don't worry if you don't have the technical analysis knowledge. Also our experts are there to help you out. So let us create a quickly one of the sample screeners. Say let me choose the stocks which I am interested in. So I've selected only futures and option stocks, right? So let me identify according to a 15-minute ticks which are the stocks, FNO stocks, in which signal line crossover is happening. See, we are left with 12 stocks in which signal line crossover, MACD signal line crossover has just happened, right? Okay, just to add one more condition, maybe if, I'm only interested in stocks where say RSI is more than 50, right? So out of thousands of stocks, in fraction of seconds we have come to know these are the 6 stocks which as of now, so if you has met this condition, if you run this in screener in a market time, say at 3 o'clock, this will be the snapshot at 3 o'clock, what will happen, right? So the other power is you can use the save screener option. If you don't have to choose this option again and again, you can save the screener and automatically you can execute it when you come next time, right? So let me give some name of the screener, say MACD screener for 15 minutes tick, right? Right. So this option, if you select the subscribe to SMS and email, you don't have to be in front of the system also. If any script meets this screener what we just created, automatically you will be alerted on your SMS and email. So this gives you complete freedom. Basically, if you're an intraday trader, you right now you may not afford to lose any time. You have to be in front of the system. By using the screener, all these things are not required. It's totally flexible. If you're not in front of the system, you will anyway get a SMS and email for all the scripts which meets this condition, right? That gives a lot of freedom to you, right? So this is one more option where you can tell from which time you want to receive SMS. By default you can choose from 9:15 to 3:30, but if you don't trade in particular hours, you may choose to want to change this option, the frequency of the SMS, right? So ideally if you're a 5-minute trader, you would like to select it 5 minutes. You don't want to miss any opportunity, right? So if you're 15 minutes is enough, right? So this is another very good option where you may not be interested in thousands of stocks or any script which meets the condition. You are only interested in some stocks which are there in your watch list, and you want to be alerted only if those stocks meets this screener results what you have just created. If you want that way, just check this button. So you can just save the screener, and the screener is saved in this my stock screener tab, right? So you can, next time when you come, you don't have to choose this option again. You can see this is the screener we just created. Directly come and execute this. So if you execute, you'll see the results directly, right? And there are other options. You can analyze the results by different, like this is the overview. You can see the candlestick patterns also, which stock has met which pattern at that particular time when we ran the screener. You can see the different technical parameters data, the RSI, ADX, everything. If you want the fundamental data, you can click on these tabs. So I hope you have understood the powerful and the main advantage of using the screener, right? So we look forward for your feedback, and happy trading.